As in any field, Industry 4.0 can bring great advantages to your semiconductor test floor, minimizing downtime and cost of ownership while improving quality and control. .800 tester architecture incorporates artificial intelligence and smart sensors to perform predictive maintenance operations, self-corrections, and comprehensive data analysis. The tester automatically identifies any idle time and is able to use it to autonomously perform a series of operations. It can verify the instrument's health status and accuracy with no need for operator's intervention or specific diagnostics load board. If there is a trend towards out-of-specs performance, the tester can adjust the involved parameters. The number of relay commutations gives an indication of instrument wear and predictive maintenance required, while operating temperature and humidity are constantly monitored to detect any dangerous anomaly. All this data is stored on a dedicated memory on each test instrument, then made available to the analysis software Archimede. Any deviation from standard performances is notified in order to take the required actions and avoid process degradations and downtime. Complete analysis dashboards give a summary of the system status, allowing you to select the plant, the tester model, or the specific machine you want to analyze. A drop-down menu on each system allows you to open the system configuration, the notification list for that equipment, or the performance data collected through time. The measures collected by the tester instrument calibration can be inspected in order to analyze any abnormal variation. All Archimede data can be exported in order to be further analyzed with your favorite business intelligence software or to be integrated with your factory MES.